Hello everyone and welcome back. So in our previous video we have covered the topic of container widget, but in this video instead of rows and columns, first we will cover the topic of asset images and network images and how to use them. So previously we have imported our asset images inside our application. Okay, so this time go to your basic widgets folder and create a new Dart file named image widget. Okay, and over here we have created one image screen class which is of stateless widget. Okay, and it is having a scaffold with an app bar, and inside its body we are having a container, and over here we are using image.asset method, okay, to showcase our image from assets. And here you will pass the file name which is from assets, and here as you can see inside my assets folder I am having one pic1.gif. okay, and I have provided it some alignment as well. So after writing this much of code, go to your main.dart file and over here change the name of your home attribute value to my image screen and import this particular file and hot restart your app instead of hot reload. So after doing this you will be having such a screen on your device. Okay, now our next widget is network images. So if you want to show images which are on network, okay, which are not on your device, so for that we will use image.network method. So Google any image, okay, right click on it and open link in new tab. Over here right click and open image in new tab. Okay, copy paste this complete URL and now go to your image.widget file. Instead of image.asset, now we'll write image.network, and instead of this file name paste the given URL. Okay, and this time hot reload your application. So as you can see that particular image, okay, is displaying on our device. So now you can also set some properties for your network image as well, like its height and width. Okay, its height should be 150. Then you can also provide, we have already provided it the alignment. We can also provide the box fit attributes as well. Okay, that it should be box fit.cover. Then we can also provide it some scaling. We can also provide it some opacity. Okay, now you can also provide it some filter quality. Okay, so the filter quality is nothing but it will render the quality of the image. Okay, all you have to do is write filter quality and it will show you the options that it provides, whether it should be high, low and medium. So if we'll keep it low and we'll format our code and again just hot reload it. So this time the quality is also low and our image is also in the constraints with its given width and height and its given fit value that it should be covered inside our complete container. Okay, now other properties like color blend mode. So if you want to provide it some filter sort of thing on your image, okay, so you can use this color blend mode. Okay, all you have to do is use the blend mode dot values, or here are some different sort of blend modes provided by the Flutter team. So let's say color burn and see what it will look like. So as you can see it is a little bit changed. So let us provide it a color blend mode of color burn, and you have to also provide some color as well. So let us provide it, that is green. Okay, and now hot reload it. So as you can see it is blended this green color on our image. Okay, now if we change it from color burn to let's say color dodge, again you can see the different filter has been applied. Now we'll change it to let's say soft light. you can see the required changes that we can perform. So that's all for this video. Okay, you can apply the same attributes to our image.asset. Okay, I hope you might found these videos and this course very much useful, and please guys drop your comments and whatever you feel like, because it will mean a lot to me. Okay, so I can keep building such informative stuffs in future as well. Okay, so guys, till then, keep practicing, keep fluttering, and I'll see you in the next video.